What's going on, traders? Stockafella back at it. Haven't traded in a minute. Back to trading, you guys. Finally got some, new employees over there at the business. Went back to trading, and then for this week, I've been doing okay, you guys. I've been trading Oracle. I just want to talk about Oracle real fast. I know I got a bunch of lines, you guys, but I'm still in Oracle. Full disclosure, just a little bit. I took off a bunch of shares. I'm only in a little bit left right now. I'm only in 50 shares, you guys. Left, you guys, but I want to talk about this pattern. This is like 2 days in a row, right? Right here, when it breaks this trend, it uses the trend line from the outside to come back and test again. So here it tested it, here it came back today and tested it. And if you look at the 2 minute this morning when it did test it, I added a bunch of shares around the area. Let me show you guys. Then you guys, it's like a trend break on the way down, and then you find it like intraday entry where you take advantage of it. You know what I'm saying? And it's kind of an intraday swing. I had a little high target on this, you guys. I take like pieces along the way. But if I go here and I put apply trades, maybe you guys could see show trades. You guys could see. Let me get it. Maybe a bigger chart. You guys see how many times I traded it, you guys? Yesterday or the day before, I got in on the breakout and then I got out. If you can see right here around the 140.50 area, just because there's a bunch of resistance there. Like I seen all the resistance there. I was like, I'm gonna take most the majority. So I use like Thinkorswim's leverage during the day. During the day it's like 4-to-1 leverage. So I use that. It's like core trading, right? It's like a swing position, but during the day I'll like trade around that position. And then today, same thing almost on the hourly, if you can see. You guys bought, and then sold. You guys can see where I bought and sold. Maybe a 5 minute would be clear. It's just because I buy like 50, 100, 50, 100, 50, 100, 50, 100, you guys. Then I sell like kind of the same way. Let's just look at today. Okay, you guys see where I started adding? Right here, where I thought I was going to bounce. But then here, and then right here, especially right here. Like you guys could see, I was adding the whole way right here. And then adding more right here. Like somebody told me a long time ago, the best way to make more money in trading is to add to your winners. So usually I'll add to my winners, and right here where it came and tested, this is where I added again. Then you can see I sold some right here. Then I sold some right here. Then I added again right here, and then I took 125 off right here. Then I took 75 off at the new high, you guys. So I locked in like I think like four or 500 bucks on this trade, you guys. And yesterday I locked in like 300, 250 on the trade, you guys. Not to talk about the money, but like being extra careful, you guys. Yesterday was my first trade back. Today's my second trade, So far, thank God, 2 trades in a row. But the reason I took this trade, you guys, the reason is I got a lot of lines because I've been doing technical analysis. You guys are right now, the market is really tricky. You have to be like a pro right now to trade this market. So you see the trend break right here? This is what I'm playing, you guys. This is when it becomes bullish to me. I just try to find like an intraday support and like I play the channel. So if, once you see it break the downtrend, it usually starts going up, but right now we're in a tricky market and it's like odds of a recession are high. Oracle is like kind of recession proof, I kind of could say. You know, But yeah, this was really bullish today. This is when I started adding. That's why you guys want to do the 3-screen method, where you want to see the daily and the hourly kinda. I used the 15-minute today, you guys, just to be patient. But yeah, it's still breaking, you guys. We're at 140.02 so far, and yeah, I still only got 50 shares left, you guys. Always, I just leave a tad on, you guys, and right now I have like a mental trailing stop, so I'm like trailing it, like not with their mental stop, with their trailing stop, with like my trailing stop in my head. So every time it like creates a new box, I'll trail it. A good book I recommend to read, you guys, is one of my favorite stock market books. Is How I Made $2 Million in the Stock Market by Nick. Let me see. Wait, hold on. The book's right here. Let me see. It's Nicholas Darvis. I wasn't gonna say Jarvis, so thank God I looked. It's Nicholas Darvis. How I Made $2 Million in the Market. Really a good strategy, but I always tell people know your cycle, know what cycle you're in, you guys. Or you know what stage you're in. You know what I'm saying? KYC. If you're a trader, know your cycle. Know what cycle you're in, you guys. A lot of traders do the same thing in a bull market, bear market, and distribution stage, accumulation stage. Like, you got to know what stage you're in and what cycle you're in, you guys. But yeah, watch those trend breaks, you guys. Be really careful. Watch those little shakeouts, you guys. Be careful with the shakeouts. They'll try to shake you out. That's why I add a little at a time. So my average could have it. Like my average today was 137.98. This is my new average, but I had a different average here. It was like 02 something. So yeah. But yeah, to me it's like one trade yesterday and then another trade. This is like a second trade, even though it's like still have a position. It's like called like core trading or whatever you want. You trade around like your original core position. Let me get this shit off the screen, you guys. Just wanted to explain that a little bit. So yeah, you guys, tricky market. Be careful. Smash that like. If anybody has any questions, leave it in the comments. Anybody has any video requests, let me know. I'll look at your stock. There's a couple people who left a couple comments last time. I'm gonna look at your stocks. You guys been crazy busy, but I got you this week. Remember our motto: plan the trade, trade the plan. Peace out.